So what I want to show you now is once you are done with your artwork, the artwork in Photoshop and also the artwork in InDesign, I'm going to show you how to package it up and send it to me. That way I can make changes to it if I need to, and also I can get it ready to send to the printer once we're done. What's going to happen is I'm going to send them all to the team that's working with us on this, and then they're going to put them in front of our board, and the board is going to pick which one they want. By 3 o'clock tomorrow, you have to have your artwork finished, and you're going to upload a folder of your artwork back into that shared drive that we have on Google Drive. What I'm going to show you now is how you're going to prepare that folder. This is called packaging it. So we have our artwork done in Photoshop. You're going to have your background in Photoshop. Of course, you will not be including photos because they do want something typographical this year. You will be including the photos of the building, which I gave you photos of the building. You will not be having the pictures of the students. The reason why they don't want pictures of the students this year is because right now we're wearing masks. Hopefully by the time we send this artwork out and it's printed and it's going to our schools, masks are gone, but we don't know. We have to prepare just in case they're not. So we are not going to be including photos of students this year. So make sure you take a look at the requirements for what has to go on the front and the back cover. It's on that sheet that I originally emailed you. Make sure your work meets all those requirements. In order for you to get the extra credit, by 3 o'clock tomorrow, you have to put this folder back in our shared folder. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So my artwork in Photoshop is done, and my artwork in InDesign is done. I'm sure you recognize it. This is the winning one from last year. I just am using her artwork as an example. How I'm going to prepare the folder is I'm going to go to File and Package. This is going to take all of the links, all of the type and everything, and put it together in one folder for me. That way I can send it to the printer. In this sense, you're just sending it to me. So you go to Package. I'm sorry, that was because I didn't save it already. But just say, if that pops up, just say yes. Give it a second to think and loading. Now you're going to choose where it's going. You're working on your BOCES laptop. It's up to you where it goes, whether you put it in your design folder or on the desktop. For the sake of what I'm doing, I'm going to put it in the desktop. I'm going to save this as Service Guide Sample, and I'm going to say Package. That's okay. It might take a while because it's putting together everything that you've done into this folder. Once this is done, I'm going to show you what exactly is in the folder. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to go into my desktop is where I saved it. I saved it as Service Guide Sample. I have my document fonts. So they're actually, let's say you send it to me and I don't own that font on my computer, I can download the font and now have the same font that you used. I have the links. So these are the way she put it together. She used Illustrator as well. Those are the links for what I included, which is the same as like when we did the grapefruit or the Pantone brochure. There's two different InDesign files, the markup and the actual InDesign document, and then there's a PDF that automatically generates. What I want you to do is you're going to take this entire folder and drag it and drop it into that shared Google Drive folder that we have called Service Guide that I shared with you. Make sure you put your name on it. Like, don't save yours as Service Guide Sample. Save yours with your name on it so that way I know that it is yours. I'm going to move your old folders out of that folder. That way they don't get confused, and you're going to put your finalized pieces in there. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to be sending this all to you guys later today, and I look forward to seeing what you have.